Hi guys, this is 2008 Toyota Kluger. So I'm doing today how to reset your engine light. You can see this corner, the traction light and engine light is on. I'm doing reset for the without not using any scan tools. We no need for the scan tool for the reset. So let's try it. So I start the car. Let's have a look. So you can see the still stay on for the engine lights. So we need like this wire for the bridge the OBD connector. So you have to bridge the wire of the OBD connector is located in the under the steering wheel column. So after that, turn in the ignition on. So you can see all the lights are flickering, like ABS, engine light, the cruise control, everything. So that time you have to press the brake pedal 8 times in 5 seconds. So like that. 1 2 3 4 5. Then wait. Then start the engine. Turn off the car and pull out the wiring connector. So then after start the engine. So you can see there no any engine light, so all gone. So that means ECU getting reset. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos.